Hello everyone. Let's sort objects into heavy and light. Heavy, light. Are you ready? Let's go. We have a scale here. The scale has two sides. One side is the light side. The light side is up and the other side is heavy. The heavy side is down. So now we're going to look at objects and think, are these objects light or heavy? If the object is light, it's going to go in the light side. If the object is heavy, then it's going to go to the down side. Let's have a look at the first object. We have elephant here. Is elephant heavy or light? Well done. The elephant is heavy. So it's going to go to the heavy side. And the heavy side is down. Let's have a look at the next object. We have a leaf. A leaf. Is the leaf heavy or light? The leaf is light. Feather. Is feather light or heavy? Well done. The feather is light. A house. Is the house heavy or light? Well done. The house is heavy. A balloon. Is the balloon heavy or light? Well done. The balloon is light. A bus. Is the bus heavy or light? Well done. The bus is heavy. We have a whale. Is the whale heavy or light? Well done. The whale is heavy. A snowflake. Is a snowflake heavy or light? Well done. The snowflake is heavy. Good job. Well done. We have two columns here. A heavy column and a light column. Now we're going to look at objects and we're going to think, if the object is heavy, we're going to put them in the heavy side, and if it's light, we're going to put them on the light side. Sofa. Is the sofa heavy or light? The sofa is heavy. Hippo. Heavy or light? The hippo is heavy. Pillow. Is the pillow heavy or light? The pillow is light. A leaf. Is the leaf heavy or light? The leaf is light. A desk. Heavy or light? The desk is heavy. Butterfly. Is the butterfly heavy or light? The butterfly is light. A cat. A big fat cat. Heavy or light? The cat is heavy. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done. Bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.